How to manage proactive help on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage proactive help on Google Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and click this 3 points here on the top corner, and then click settings, this one, click on it, and now click Google services, and then click this one, Google Assistant in Chrome. And now all you need to do is just turn this one off if you don't want proactive help, and if you want it just click on it. And that's how to manage proactive help on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.